Hey guys, it's Raul from Simple Wi-Fi and Cell, and today I'm at Doral Lincoln, an auto dealership in Miami, Florida, installing a cellular repeater system.
So I gave Simple Wi-Fi and Cell a call because we had some issues being able to make calls with certain providers in certain areas. I could not call from our lunchroom, from the GM's office, our finance office. So sometimes I'd be on an important call and the call would drop. So needed to make sure we could get that resolved, and Simple Wi-Fi and Cell definitely helped us make it happen. The process for the installation was very seamless. We couldn't really notice they were here. They didn't affect our business in any way. And as soon as it was over, we had great service all throughout the building. The biggest change I saw was that I could make a call from the lunchroom, finance, the GM's office, and I had no issues with connectivity, and I don't need to have the Wi-Fi on to make any calls here anymore. So great service.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press like down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video content like this coming. We're going to do tutorials and product explainers on cellular and Wi-Fi equipment. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can comment down below or send us an email at support@simplewifi.com. You can also give us a call and speak to one of our USA-based tech support agents. We're able to do this for you all over the country, and we're happy to consult you on any of the products that you purchase from us. Thank you. Have a good one.